So my name is Zan, and I'm going to show you a little bit of what I taught in my Poi class called Petals and Mandalas. Basically, we want to learn how to spin this, the fundamental patterning of the universe, but spin it around ourselves with light. So I talked about using a big circle of extension and then placing petals where we want them, say at the top, or at the bottom, or the sides, and choosing how many petals we want to place. So you can do them opposite, 1, 2, 1, 2, or 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And all I'm doing is essentially changing the number of rotations of my poi that happen when I make one arm circle. And the most common number is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I'm hitting with the left and right and top and bottom with my petals. Then when we combine them, when we combine our two arms both doing petals, then we get actual flower or mandala type shapes. So here's one that is one petal with each hand. My left hand does a petal on the left, and my right hand does a petal on the right. And here's some 2 petals. These are horizontal petals. Or vertical. Or the same thing in a different timing, 2 petals. Or in a different timing, 2 petals, or on the sides here. So a lot of possibilities are created quickly when you can overlay what one hand does with the other hand. And here's one with 3 in each hand, where each hand is offset, so there's 1 up and 1 down for 6 total points. And that's pretty closely approaching the flower of life symbol. And all those petals are pointing inwards, just as we would with a normal 4-petal flower. But to get petals that point outwards from the circle, then we use anti-spin, so we can reach the outward points. And several common anti-spin patterns are the 4-petal, or in a different timing, here's opposite directions. Or doing 2 together is often the easiest way, together times same direction. 4 petals, or 3 petals pointed out. But 3 petals are often cooler and more rewarding when you put 1 up and 1 down, so they are offset from each other. Here are 2 interlocking 3 petals that create 6, because 1 is up and 1 is down. And there are a number of ways to do that. I could use a different timing to create the 6 also. 6 outward pointed petals, which is essentially a buzzsaw fountain in anti-spin, but with my hands sped up to reduce the number of poi rotations relative to arm rotations. And that's about as far as we got today.
All right.